Hello, it's me again, Ivy, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. For those who haven't subscribed yet, please do so for more arts and crafts and science teachings. And today it will be arts and crafts series, so it will be mask making, but it's a little bit different because I'm going to put an iron press patch here. This is already my mask, and that's my pattern. I just need to put the elastic here on the side, right there, and then I'm going to run the stitch here all the way and then back. Okay, so let me just do it. I like to put the elastic on the last part just because I have more control to do it, and it's easier for me. Alright, so now that our masks are ready, I have 11 solid colors, 5 blacks, 2 greens, 2 reds, and 2 purples. Sizes are medium and large. We are going to use these patches that I got from Amazon. These are Sugar and Skulls patches, and they're so easy to use. These are from Sarisa Incorporated, and on the back of their card is the instruction manual, but I am going to show you how to put the patches on our mask. Alright, so what we're going to do is to decide first which side of the mask you want your patch to be, and for me, I'm going to put it on the left side, so I'm going to fold it like that, and I will put it somewhere over here, so it'll be easy. So just make sure you have your flat iron, and then place the patch on garment, embroidery side up, and then place a cloth or towel over the patch. So I'm just going to use this cotton cloth, and then you are going to iron over the patch on high for approximately 30 seconds. Here's that. And then you are going to iron the inside of the garment underneath the patch for 30 seconds. So actually, I'm just going to do this for 30 seconds again. Okay, and just make sure that it's firmly pressed. I can add a little bit more. Okay, and here's our mask. For sure, sticks there, and let's see how it looks. Now let's see how our mask looks. Okay, let me put it on. There you go. Hope you like it. Here are our finished products. I just don't machine wash, so my suggestion is to use a mesh bag to prolong its life. Let's try it on with our mannequins. There you have it, guys. So if you like this video, please give this a thumbs up, and if you have suggestions, please comment down below, and if you haven't done already, please do subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.